Code Coach here. We're talking about grounding electrodes. Make sure you have access to your grounding electrode. Any type of footing for new construction, whether it be a house, a dog house, a pool house, any kind of area that you're adding a new service, the NEC would like to see a grounding electrode, which is a continuous 20 foot of encased concrete. Okay, so people get that misconstrued because they'll take a 20-foot piece of rebar and bend a 4 foot at the end and have it sticking up 16 foot, which is not true. You're supposed to have 20 foot encased by minimum, I want to say it's supposed to be 2 inches of cover of concrete. Again, you want to have the number 4 copper. Biggest thing is right here is that anchor is a good solid anchor and it's secured. And then if you're going to put it in the wall, which is totally fine, just have a little access hole just in case. All right. And then what we do is that the panel is supposed to identify the location, whether it be outside by a meter, outside by anything. Again, it's just the best way of grounding and bonding for your electrical system. You still may use a ground rod, you still may use water pipe, you still may use building steel. All that stuff is supposed to be tied in. But again, if you're doing new construction, the most easiest way to do it, ground electrode. Great example of having access and having it secured, anchored, not secured, or you can weld it.